Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, today I'm going to replace the weather strip of Honda Jazz 2010 front passenger side. As you can see here, the rubber was totally worn out and we need to replace it. As you can see, there is no rubber here, and this side has a rubber. Okay, the first thing we need to do is take off this side mirror so that we're able to remove the weather strip, because the side mirror holding the weather strip. So let's remove the side mirror now. Take off this panel so that you can access the screw of the side mirror. Okay guys, I already removed the cover. We need to unscrew this screw so that we are able to remove the weather strip outside. Okay, we are done unscrewing the screws. So I open the window so that we can easily access the weather strip. See this one? We have an access already to the weather strip. To remove the weather strip, we need to push this one. There's a lock in here. You see this one? This is the lock. So you need to start this side to remove the weather strip. Okay, I will remove the weather strip now. Pull this up. Just pull this up. Okay, you need to pull this up. Just pull this up. There you go. And pull to the right, because there's a lock in here. You must not destroy the lock. There you go. As you can see, the rubber fell down. The rubber fell down already. So before installing the weather strip, we need to clean this dirt off again before we install the weather strip. We just need a wet towel and wipe this out. Okay, this is the item that I bought in Lazada. One set weather strip. Okay, I'm done cleaning the dirt. So we are ready to install the weather strip. So first, I'll install the weather strip with one hand. My left hand is holding the camera and my right hand is holding the weather strip. Okay, first you need to prioritize this side, the left side, because there is a lock in here. Push this down, then make sure you have to loosen this side mirror. There you go. Voila. You're in, and you are done. Push this down so that just push. this down. And put the side mirror back. So yeah. Now you are done installing the weather strip. To finish installing the weather strip, you need to put the screws back, and you are done. And put the cover, and you are done. So guys, that's it. That's how you install the weather strip in Honda Jazz 2010 front passenger side. See you on my next video. Thank you for watching.